Select the desktop background option from the bottom icons. Okay. Choose picture as the option in the background drop down list. Okay. You can see here in the diagram it is displayed. Selecting the desktop background option. Okay. Select the picture from the list available or click on browse button to select any other picture saved on the computer. The selected picture will now appear as the wallpaper. To select the solid color as the background, select solid color option from the picture location down list. You can see here the colors, and from this you can select the color. Okay. Screensaver. Okay. A screensaver is a picture, animation or animated text which appears on the screen when the computer is not used for a while or inactive. Okay. By setting up the screensaver with password protection, we can secure our computer. Follow the steps to set up a screensaver. Okay. A screensaver is a picture, animation or animated text which appears on the screen when the computer is not used for a while or inactive. Okay. When the computer is on but we are not using it for few minutes or some time, then this screensaver is appeared on the screen. Okay. This is protected by the password and it can secure our computer. Now there are the steps how you can do this. Right click on the blank area on the desktop, click the left mouse button on the personalize option from the shortcut menu, select screensaver option from the bottom panel. Okay. Here selecting screensaver option. So on this screen, when you will see it minutely, you can see how the screensaver option you can select. It will open the screensaver setting window. Select the screensaver from the drop down list. By default, if the screen remains idle for a minute, it will display the selected screensaver. Okay. So for supposing you will not work for 1 minute on the computer, the screensaver picture will appear on the screen, but we can change this also by changing the value in wait box drop down list. Okay. In this diagram you can see setting the screen saver, how you are setting your screen saver. Your homework is on page number 33. Second question, what happens when you shut down the computer? Okay.